Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize your images. There's a bunch of different areas on your website where you're going to need to resize your images to meet a certain specification. For example, on your home page you have a slider menu, a slider image viewer, where you need to resize your images to fit in this particular view. This slider is 900 by 300, about 900 by 300 pixels in width and length. You also have your display items under your programs and a few other places in your website where you need to have these particular images at 160 width and 150 height. There's a couple of other places you'll see whenever you're making changes. You might see a little notation that says recommended image size, and it'll tell you what size is recommended. Whenever you see that, if you want to make sure your images fall into place properly and look good, you're going to need to resize your images to fit those specifications. So I'm going to show you now how to do it. There's a couple of different programs that you can use. There's a lot of different programs actually. The program I actually use is Photoshop. It's a professional program. I'm sure you heard of it. It's a little expensive. It's about 500 or 600 bucks. I'm not going to recommend that you purchase Photoshop just to resize your images for your website. So there's a bunch of free programs available. One in particular I like to use or show people how to use is a program that you download through your Google Chrome web browser. So in order to get to this program, if you're not using Google Chrome as one of your web browsers, or you don't have Google Chrome on your computer, you need to go to Google and type in Chrome, Chrome, Google that and download that. Chrome is Google's web browser. It's a great web browser, so once you download it, you'll probably use it anyway. It's a browser I use a lot. So once you download Google Chrome, you open it up, and you're going to go to your new tab. Whenever you open a new tab, you're going to get a screen that shows you all the apps you have downloaded. Your screen won't look like this. I actually put a custom background on mine. Yours will look different. And I have apps I've already downloaded. So when you first open it up, you won't have any apps there, but you will have the web store. That's where you're going to get the program. The program you're going to want to download is called the Avery Image Editor. So you're going to click on the web store, and up here in the search the store section, you're going to type in Avery, A-V-I-A-R-Y Image Editor. I spelled editor wrong, but it's okay. You click enter, and you'll see here it's the blue one with the A. The Avery Image Editor, as you can see, it is free. So you're going to click on that, and it's going to say download on yours. Mine says launch because I already downloaded it. Another thing you need to be aware of is that to use the Google Chrome App Store, you need to be logged into your Google Chrome or to your Google Gmail. It's going to be the same login as your Gmail. Any Google apps use the same login, so you need to be logged in as a user under your Google Gmail. If you're not, it's going to ask you to log in. So again, if you don't have a Gmail account, just open up a free Gmail account so you can access the App Store. The App Store has a lot of different apps, and a lot of them are free, and a lot of them are very useful. So once you download the Avery Image Editor, you're going to go back to your main screen here, and it will be under your apps. You'll see the A with the blue background. Click on that to open it up. And just so you're aware, this program is an online program. You can't download it to your computer. Whenever you're using the program, you're going to be online. So as you can see, mine's moving a little slow because I got a whole bunch of stuff opened up on my computer right now, but it's going to move depending on your internet speed and what you have going on your computer, because you're going to be online. Okay, so once you open the program up, you'll see this first image. What you're going to want to do is click where it says start from scratch. Click on that, and it'll give you a new option box to input your image size, the width and the height. This is the important part. You're going to remember whatever image you're resizing, you type the width and height in here. So for the display item, you're going to type in, I'm doing the display item, which is 160 width by 150 height. Then you're going to click create. Now this is the image size, the box size. Right now we're going to put your image on top of that box so it'll resize it to the correct size. So now you want to go to File, you want to go to Import File, click choose file, and you're going to navigate on your computer to wherever your particular file is located. I'm in one of your folders on my computer, so I'm gonna use this file here. I'm just picking any random picture, doesn't really matter, whatever picture you want to use, you know. Then you're going to click open. You can see the file is now there and ready for upload, and you're going to click upload file. So again, this particular amount of time is going to vary depending on how big your image is and how good your computer internet connection is. So the next question you're going to get is, it'll say the image is bigger than the canvas, than the current canvas. What do you want to do now? You click resize image when you get this this box, and as you can see, the program resized the image to fit in that box. So now your image is 160 by 150. Now all you got to do is export the image. You do that by going back up to File, and you're going to go down to Export Image. You'll get this new box. It'll say Export Image. Give you a quick preview of your of your image, and then you're going to just click Generate Image. You can actually change the format of the image if you like. I'm going to change it from PNG to JPEG. For the most part, you're going to want your images in JPEG format. So if you see any other format, just switch it to JPEG. The only time you're going to want to leave it in a PNG format is if it's some type of logo or something that has no background. If there's no background behind it, you want to leave it in PNG, because PNG supports images with no background. So other than that, just switch it to JPG. So there's this particular image has a background. It's not, I don't need a transparent background, so I'm going to click put it on JPEG. JPEG is a smaller file size than PNG, so the smaller the file, the better, you know, as far as your website goes, because it'll load quicker. So once you switch to JPEG, if you need to, then you're going to click Generate Image. You get a new box that says Download Image to Desktop. This program will automatically download the images to your desktop. There may be some settings you can change to download it to some other specific folder, but the desktop's usually the easiest to find anyway. So you'll get that message, and then you're just going to click over here, click Download. It'll give you the Save As box. You can change your image name if you want. I'll just put Test Image Display. And oh, actually, I forgot. You can change where you want to download it to. If you have a Mac, you just click this drop-down box and change it wherever you want to download it to. If you have a PC, then you do it however you do it. I haven't used a PC in a while, so I couldn't tell you. But if not, just save it to your desktop. That's the default area. So click Save, and it's downloading, and it should be done. So I'm going to minimize my web browser, and I'm going to go to desktop, and as you can see, the Test Image Display JPEG is now there. So from there, you just go into whatever part of your website control panel you want, and follow the instructions to upload the image and put the new image, you know, wherever you want it.